So today, Southwest Monsoon 2021 has started its advancement. Because of strengthening of southwesterlies in this region, fairly widespread to widespread rain and continuous cloudiness in this area, we, India Meteorological Department, have declared southwest monsoon onset. The northern limit of southwest monsoon over Bay of Bengal currently passing through 5° north, 83° east, 10° north, 90° east, 12° north, 95° east, 13° north, 98° east. And in the coming 48 hours, it is expected it will be covering more areas of Southwest Bay of Bengal, full Andaman, including Andaman Island, Andaman Sea area, entire Andaman Sea area, and East Central Bay of Bengal. Now, a upper air cyclonic circulation is present over southeast and adjacent Central Bay of Bengal. So it is expected by 22nd it is likely to form a low pressure area over east central and adjacent Andaman Sea area. And by 24th of May, it is likely to form into cyclonic storm. As soon as it would be forming into cyclonic storm, it will get a name as is given by RSMC, Regional Specialized Meteorological Center member countries. This time, name would be given by Oman and name will be Yaas, YAAS. And its expected movement is likely to be northwesterly and expected by 26th morning it would be reaching near to Odisha, North Odisha, West Bengal coast area. So that is the status right now, and kindly check our India Meteorological Department website. Update will come from time to time. Now, the weather in our state of Maharashtra, basically one trough line, means extended low pressure area line, is available from East UP to coastal Karnataka. So because of that, weather in our state will be governed, and in the four meteorological subdivisions, Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada and Vidarbha, it is expected that Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra will get isolated very light to light rain in coming 48 hours with little bit of thundery activity, and then throughout the state weather will be mostly dry, especially over Vidarbha and Marathwada, and then around 24th, 25th especially, areas of state may receive again very light to light rain, especially the districts Pune, Kolhapur, Satara, Sangli, Aurangabad, Jalna may get little bit thundery activity with very light to light rain in isolated areas. Now coming to Pune city and Pune district weather, current 48 hours there is chance of light rain in and around Pune city, Pune district at isolated places, and then chance of rain would be reduced. It will be mainly clear sky, afternoon time maybe for some time partly cloudy, and around 25th chance is there to become uh, partly cloudy with chance of rain also. Regarding maximum temperature expected 36 to 38 degree centigrade. Minimum temperature in coming 4-5 days expected to be 22 to 24 degree centigrade. Thank you.